Previously in my video for this 2-story house build, I highlighted the open concept, the large kitchen. I also want to add downstairs, there's 3 large bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 2 of those bedrooms has 2 bathrooms attached, and there's a bedroom and another common bathroom for guests to use. So now let's go ahead and check upstairs out. All right, we're here at the upstairs or the 2nd story of this beautiful home. As I come up, it's gonna be a loft area. There's a nice large window for a view. You can put an entertainment center. You wanna make this your kid's study room area, a simple hangout session. This is a great area. From here, there is a bedroom to the left side of me. It's a nice large bedroom for your guests to come enjoy. There's actually a common bathroom here, which is a full bathroom. And next I will be showing you the office. It was a requirement from our clients as well. We gave her a really nice big office with a nice window with a great view. And next I'll be stepping into the master bedroom. First, I'll be highlighting the master bathroom. In the master bathroom suite, you're gonna have a nice double sink vanity with plenty of light. There's gonna be a jacuzzi style bathtub. There's gonna be a stand-in shower. And in addition to that, they're gonna have a water closet. Water closet is a toilet area that is enclosed. From the master bath, we come out to the master bedroom area over here. It's a nice large bedroom. A king-size bed can easily fit. They have an amazing view. The view out of the window is the hills. So part of the design process, we strategically built the window so the clients can enjoy a morning coffee looking at the windows. Then you have a large closet for a his and hers. It is large. They get to hang all their clothes and whatever else they want to put in here. And I am so excited to bring this project into life. My clients see the progress and they're getting so excited. So if you want to see the next step or the next phase, follow our social media channels. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team. If you want to know more, see more, or learn more, please subscribe, share, and like us.